In today's video we're going to do double crochet in the back loop. You may see this as dcblo below or BL, so double crochet back loop. So what we have is that you have two strands here that make up a stitch, and when you go in between that you capture all of that, that's considered a stitch. But if you only grab one, so this is the first one of the two, that's the front loop because it's closest to you, and the back loop is away from you, and that's it right there. So what we would want to do is that usually when you start this in double crochet, the first one you don't really do any back looping at all, but it's the next one that you start with is that you will. So wrapping the hook like normal double crochet, you're gonna dig down in between the stitch and just grab the back loop only and double crochet as normal. So this creates a ridge look in your project, and you can work your way all across. You see these in scarves, and you can see these in collars, mittens. Back looping is really quite helpful, and it provides a little bit of texture and something unique to look at. This is double crochet in the back loop.